I've only ever landed a backflip once, but I kind of want to do it outside. So, hey, Dylan, can you teach me how to do that?
Oh yeah, I can definitely teach you how to do that.
Let's do it.
3 easy steps. So I want you to swing your arms back, jump, and then I want you to land this on top of my shoulder. So I'm gonna scoot you over just a little bit.
On your shoulders?
Onto my shoulder. Actually, you're too tall for this. We need to scoot you forward a little bit. Arms all the way back.
Okay.
You're gonna jump. This is gonna land on my shoulder. And then you wanna reverse plank.
Okay, so I'm just landing on top of you.
Yeah.
And your head is just gonna be out of the way.
I promise I'll be out of the way.
Okay, okay.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, up.
Okay. Okay.
Right now what we're doing, we're just trying to shape your backflip
Okay.
and get you used to activating your abs.
Okay. I wasn't
Last
even
one.
thinking about that, so.
3, 2, 1, up. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Now, next step. Exact same thing, but you go like this.
Hacking. With both legs.
Yep.
Okay, cool. Yeah.
And then your goal is to make me fight and pull your hips back. So push hips forward for me. So you should feel this while you're tucking because you're pulling over, trying to do the backflip, and then I'm having to stop you.
Okay. Okay.
2, 1, up. Tuck.
Oh.
Easy peasy. Just like that. Wait, just a hair longer though. I want you on top of my shoulder, not into my chest.
Okay.
3, 2, 1, up. Tuck. There it is.
Oh.
Exactly right.
That's terrifying. That's terrifying.
You getting a little nervous right now?
No. It's just scary in general.
1, up. All right. So you feel that?
Yes, I do.
Everything's gonna be the exact same. We're just gonna do it from here,
Okay.
and we're gonna do the actual flip this time.
Okay. We're flipping.
We are flipping on this one.
Okay. And you're just assisting me, making sure I don't die?
Absolutely.
Okay.
Yeah. All right. Ready?
Maybe.
If you don't believe in you, believe in the me that believes in you.
All right. Believe in the you that
Believes in you.
me that. That's just Sunday. Here we go.
3, 2, 1, up.
Oh, nice.
Easy peasy.
What's going on
3
right now?
steps.
Oh man, I get so dizzy when I backflip.
That goes away.
Okay.
100% goes away.
That's good. That's good to know because, oh man. So we're doing it again?
Yep.
Can I
Then
spot the ground, by the way?
absolutely. Only when you're landing though. So when you're,
Once I get to here, everything just goes black, to be honest.
you might be closing your eyes.
Yes,
In which
maybe.
case, try to just look at the cars in front of you. And then eventually what'll happen is you get this huge motion blur of like colors. And then it stops and you go, oh, there's the floor.
Oh boy. All right. So I'll try a spot this time. We'll see what happens.
2, 1, up.
Oh, okay. I spotted the ground that time.
Nice. That's exactly what we want. Just try not to be so like scared out here. I want you to grab and then stay close in.
Okay. Yeah. I was kind of, did I go crooked there? Because I did not understand what happened.
You pushed off of me and that's what caused you to go crooked. So that's why I want your arms to come in.
Okay.
1, up. Tuck. There it is. There it is.
Okay.
See, not so bad.
That's not too bad. Yeah, that's not too bad.
1, up. Not so bad, right?
Not so bad. Not so bad.
Is that like nerves calming down a little bit?
Yeah, it's starting to feel pretty natural, to be honest, actually.
Beautiful. 3, 2, 1, up. There it is.
Yeah, it feels good.
Yeah, try not to squat so low. If I was to like have you do like a broad jump as far as you could, would you come all the way down like this?
I would.
You would? We don't want that.
I'm not a jumper.
We don't want that. So our jump muscles is literally to this. This is all we need.
Okay. All right. I'll try that. We'll see how that
Yeah, so like think like a small break in the knees. And that's it. That's all you need right there. Okay. And then everything else is gonna come from the arms.
Yeah.
So small break.
Yeah, I feel the blood rush all the way to my fingertips.
That goes away too. 1, jump.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah. And then big arm swing. So you went here.
Yes.
I want to see that triangle there.
Okay, cool. So
yeah, everything else with the lower body was great. Small break, big arm swing, and then everything is gonna be arms.
Okay. I think what it is I'm worried about hitting you.
Hit me.
Okay.
If you feel this, you've done your job.
Okay, cool. Okay, here we go. How does that feel?
It feels okay. Look, it feels okay. A little bit more squat. You're doing exactly what I asked.
Okay.
And that's the problem.
Okay.
I mean, so again, usually I work with like little kids, right? So when they go so far over this way, I cue them to go so far this way, and then I know they're not going to do this.
They go somewhere in the middle.
They meet me in the middle. But you're doing exactly what I asked.
That's good. I'm a good listener.
Thank you for being a good student. Yeah.
So, okay, I'm gonna just try and feel it like what feels natural, because I was going down to the extreme.
Yeah. So a little bit taller than that.
Yeah.
Not as tall as you were. So small jump. Okay. And then let's just do this real quick. So we're just going to come here. Small jump. That right there. That's exactly it.
Okay. Yeah, I can do that. All right. So I'm just effortless spot.
Just a normal
Flip.
jump, and you just happen to tuck your abs and flip.
Cool. Sounds good to me.
3, 2, 1, up. And that was your best one, like hands down, higher than the other ones. You got your feet all the way under you, like
There you go.
exactly what we're looking for.
Yeah, it's so strange, like flipping to a lower surface because I'm like consistently landing on my heels almost.
We can pull you to flat.
Should we try flat?
We can. The only reason I teach it off of this is so you.
Oh, this feels way safer. Yeah. Oh, see, that was confident. I do that every time.
It's not just you. I did the same thing.
Oh, my forearms, dude.
Easy peasy.
There we go.
Yep.
Yeah, this feels pretty confident now. Yeah.
Do you want to try one?
Just without you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So okay.
Sure.
So here's the thing I tell all my students. Let's do one more with me, and I'm gonna spot you a little differently. I promise. I am spotting you though.
Yeah.
I don't break pinky promises.
That's fine.
So I will spot you.
Okay.
Just know you're not gonna feel me right away.
That's fine.
But I will be there.
That's fine. Yeah.
1, go.
Oh, that's so weird. That is so weird.
On up. That's the one. That's the one. You
That
feel
felt
it?
good.
That one was great.
That felt good. Yeah.
So if
good.
you give me that same thing, you'll probably land it on flat.
I like probably.
Okay, let's do one more here. I'm not gonna spot this one.
Okay. All right.
And then the most important thing here is to commit to the jump, commit to the flip.
Yeah. Commitment in me. Ooh.
You can do it. You're a married man.
Yeah. Well, there is that. Yeah. Pretty committed there. Okay.
You need to count down?
Give me the countdown.
Yeah. 3, 2, 1, go. Yeah.
That was scary. Oh my god, dude. What was that?
It was. You went back to the fear thing.
I did.
You
Yeah.
fell and jumped, not jumped up and did the flip.
Yes.
But that alone, you know you can.
I'm like,
But you did it, right? That's the important thing. No hand touch, no butt touch. Was it the best? No. But also, are we expecting like perfect gymnast level?
No, we
backflip,
just want to hit a
parkour?
backflip.
Yeah, we just want to do a backflip. Like
yeah.
everything within context. So if you just want to be able to backflip wherever you want, like it doesn't need to be great. You just have to be able to land it.
There you go.
So-
What's the next step after this?
Technically, go over there.
Oh boy, let's do it.
And then so we don't need to run back through all of the drills, but what we will do is
Go back to spotting.
go back to spotting.
Yeah.
Ready?
Hold on. Dude, these forearms, man. Like,
Take your time. Take your time. So we're gonna let this like hang out for a little bit, and I'm gonna search for the magnet.
Yeah, let's do it. Yeah. Yeah, I never realized how much the forearms like hurt when you do that. But you found it.
That was quick.
That was really quick.
That's all the recovery time you get. We're done.
All right, here we go. How's this gonna work? Walk me through this.
Everything's the exact same.
Okay.
Nothing changes. Think about the drills that I had you do over here on my shoulder.
Okay. Yeah.
100% the same thing.
Yes.
Think about you're going up onto my shoulder, and then you're pulling your knees in. You're just finishing the flip first.
Okay. Cool.
So if we need to do that second drill again, we can, just so you can get a feel for it again.
Well, let's see how I do with this. If I bail out of it, then we probably need to do that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Define bail, like not commit to the flip.
Like not like. That's what I mean by bail. I don't mean like get halfway through a flip and then.
And then, oh, like not.
Yeah, like
okay. One up.
Oh my god, dude, it's terrifying. Yeah, I can bail out of that all day, I guess. That was fine. But let's try not to.
Yeah. So the thing that I always tell my kids is the safest thing you can do is to do the flip. As
correct.
scary as it is, that is the safest thing you can do.
Yes.
Because if I wasn't there and you did that, I wouldn't have slowed your fall. You wouldn't have twisted sideways. You would have backflopped, and that would have sucked.
Yes.
A lot.
That would have sucked a lot. Yeah.
So yeah, commit to the flip. So trust that I have you.
Okay.
And set all of that fear aside like you. 3, 2, 1, go.
I stomped on the heels again.
Are your heels okay though?
Yeah, they're fine. They're fine.
I did nothing.
Okay.
I stopped you. I stopped you more than anything.
Yeah.
Because I mean, you saw you were literally pulling me, you know?
Yeah.
So
Yeah. All right. Well, here we go.
I'm gonna have you land with my front foot here. 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, that felt way better.
I like the other one more actually.
Okay.
Yeah.
Why?
You went up. On this one, you didn't finish the jump. You're like, oh, close enough. Like, do the flip.
I did do that. Yeah.
Yeah. The first one you did properly. And that's why you overflipped. Overflipping is not a bad thing at all.
Yeah, because then you just roll back.
Yeah, you just pull back. Or no, I'm not even talking about that. I'm talking about you give it less effort. And you still get to your feet. Cool. Right? It's hard to push harder, but it's easy to pull back, right?
Yes.
So like if this was as hard as I could punch, it's hard to get more.
You got to
I can like a couple months. If I can like whoa, right? I can still do this and I can do the other one, but if I can only do this, I can't do the other one. So it's easy.
You got to be a warrior in a garden than a gardener in a war.
100%.
Yeah.
I love that.
That's cool.
Come on. Up. That yes.
Okay.
That one you could have done on your own.
Okay. That one felt pretty good. I also spotted the ground on that one.
That's it. That's the one.
Let's go.
That was perfect. I love that.
So double layout?
Double, at least with 2 twisting and 2 layouts. Yeah. Standing.
Yeah, just stand.
On miles 2.
And like stomp it down. Yeah. That's terrible. Same drill then?
100%. Yeah.
All right.
Same idea. And then after, if this one is just like the other one, I'm going to spot you a little differently on the next one.
Okay.
3, 2, 1, up. Oh, that's so good.
Man, I'm actually starting to like flex and extend my back now because it feels a little bit more natural.
Good.
Yeah.
Good.
Which I know is not.
Well, this we don't want. This we don't want. But again, within the context of I just want to be able to backflip. By all means, if it gets you around, it gets you around. The things that there are more important biomechanics that I care about.
Yeah, correct.
Like the jump up, like the arm swing, the timing of everything, how deep you're right. All of the important biomechanics that allow you to do the backflip are what I care about. How you do the backflip.
Yeah.
What allows you to do it and how you do it are 2 different things.
Yeah.
So
there you go. So different kind of spot?
Yep.
All right.
Here we go. 3, 2, 1, up.
Hello, world. What was that? That's
you
crazy.
Absolutely stomping a backflip by yourself. I didn't even have to help you land. Come on, up.
Yeah, that was my worst one yet, to be honest.
100%. Yeah. Yeah, you got rid of the tuck. You went to like arms were out, and
yeah. That was nice.
That was beautiful.
That felt way better.
Yeah, beautiful. Less effort.
Yeah, way less effort.
Up.
Why am I grabbing behind my knees?
Super common. Don't stress about it.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
3, 2, 1, up.
Yeah, it's like I can't even get to my ankles in time.
Yeah, it just everything happens so fast.
The flip is so fast. Yeah. I just need to flip.
Yeah, we just need to flip.
Yeah.
So let's do 2 more.
Okay.
And then on the third one, if you're like, I can do it, I'll let you do it. If you need another one, I'll give you another one. But our goal is 2 more.
Okay, 2 more. So 2 more.
2 more spotted. Yeah. On up.
That not flying off through me, bro. I was like, what is that?
2, 1, up. There it is.
Stomped. Oh my goodness, that's painful.
1, up. There it is.
Oh yeah, that was.
Yeah, those are wonderful.
Painful.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yep.
3, 2, 1, go.
I'm still mad. Jumping up.
And you flip it. You need to spot real quick? Okay. All right, you ready? 3, 2, 1, go. I've got you, I promise. Hey, we can just gonna try it. Do you want to count down?
Sure.
Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1, go.
I got the arm bar going back real good.
Mastered.
Feels comfortable.
Yeah.
How do I get over this fear, dude? What do I do?
We start calling you Buttercup because you gotta suck it up, Buttercup. There's no way. This is like a fear thing. Is 100% you. It's like it's a normal reaction. It's very understandable. Like your body is like, we're gonna die. Don't do it. And you just have to push past that because you and your rational brain know you're safe.
Yeah.
And that you'll be fine. And it really is at this point. Like you've gone through all the drills. You've landed multiple. And it's really just I have to commit to the flip.
Yeah. That's easy.
Well,
It's
well,
easy.
well. The backflip is easy, right?
Easy.
You've already said that. The backflip is easy.
Yeah.
Committing to the backflip, that's the hard part.
Dude, it's so different.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Happy to spot whenever you need.
Okay. I'm gonna get one more
All right.
attempt before we spot.
Okay.
And then we'll go back to spotting.
Okay. Yeah, we'll do a couple spots and I'll have you try again.
So no countdown. Let me just try and
All right.
hold it up. No. Put up down there. Okay. Dude. It's like let's do a spot.
Okay.
Let's try a spot. Oh my god.
Yep. One up.
See, it's like it's nothing.
Yeah.
You know? It's nothing.
It's that little bit of confidence where you're like, I know he's gonna save me if I fall. Whenever you're ready, I'm ready. I didn't even lift my arms.
No, oh, that's so scary. All right, here we go.
Here we go. There it is. There it is.
I'm putting my hands out to go to the ground now. Oh. Oh. Oh my goodness. Oh man, I bailed so hard, dude.
I didn't realize you were gonna go right then and there.
I wanted to do it while you were away, dude. That's what I wanted to do. Oh, I had this whole plan in my head, man.
You're like, he's gonna turn his back, I'm gonna land it, and I was like, I did it, and I turned around just in time to catch the.
Oh my god, I don't know what that was though. Why did I do that?
You were scared. Like that's 100% it. You were just scared.
Yeah, it's hilarious because after I jumped, I was like, why did I do that? Like,
on the bright side, absolute worst case scenario just happened.
yep, there you go.
I know I told you to just jump and fall. I didn't literally mean to jump and fall. You did it though.
Okay, let's
I'll spot.
let's try a spot.
Yeah. Build that confidence back up a little
Let's
bit.
go back to the spot. Because I went into the bad habit where
Squatting low.
there's that, but I also I flipped, and while you were next to me, I put like one hand out, and then for this one, when I just tried to send it, I just immediately went to one hand when I wasn't even in the flip yet, so I didn't even tuck.
Okay, one up.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Oh,
wonderful,
dude.
wonderful.
Bro, like it's so easy. It's
Yeah.
so easy.